Hi, I'm Adrian Comley and I head up Network Solutions at BT. Users are turning up the pressure dial on your network as they demand more and more bandwidth for a better end-user experience. So more than ever, it's critical to keep your network under control to maintain a great performance. The likelihood is that increasing bandwidth to deal with demand is expensive and difficult. So instead, you'll need to apply some governance to rank and prioritize your users' application needs. Some services are crucial to your business. For example, your video and IP calls, which need uninterrupted bandwidth, while some services like connectivity to Facebook are not. So how do you balance the needs of your applications with your available network to keep performance controlled? Let me introduce BT Connect Intelligence Infovista. It's a software-defined service that gives you WAN governance and will ensure each application and user always gets the bandwidth they need for priority jobs. It uses Infovista technology and has a fully managed BT service surround. It's priced on a per-user consumption model and is aimed at making your network smarter. The service provides a multitude of very granular network information, and I'll show you how it works. Here we assess what applications are on your network. There'll be more than you think grabbing your available bandwidth. Once we've assessed the landscape, we can commence the planning. This is where we prioritize and define performance objectives for each type of traffic, programmed and stored into the brains of the service, known as a Salsa platform or orchestrator. Now we apply rules to govern behavior and define priorities and thresholds. We allocate 4 categories which control how applications are assigned bandwidth, and this policy is then dynamically assigned across them. So top and high priority traffic will have the best performance across the network. This is where we now plug into the WAN and shows how Infovista will move applications to the best available connection based on performance. The service uses dynamic WAN selection, so as many as 6 different networks can plug into certain devices. I can see that my top application is on my MPLS service, but that service is congested. So my Infovista solution will move that application to my secondary network, displacing other applications to ensure it has the bandwidth it needs. Infovista continually monitors the service, and over time will move the application back onto the preferred MPLS route when its performance improves. Infovista constantly makes routing and switching decisions to match applications to network paths in line with the policy I have made and the needs of the business. With Traffic Insight, you can assign different traffic to take different paths through the day, so each has the perfect application experience. There might be a CEO call early in the morning to distribute news. Nobody wants to upset the CEO with poor service. Then further through the day, order processing and inventory become top priority to ensure orders are placed and stock levels are current at the close of business. But Infovista doesn't stop here. Let me show you some of the information it will provide you. This is my site flow level dashboard for my BT network, and it readily shows me what volumes of traffic are being carried around my network. I can see the relative traffic sizes for each flow and where this flow originates and terminates. I know at a glance which sites are busy and which sites are communicating. The flow colours shown tell me which are healthy and within my preset tolerances. I can see the London data centre is highlighted, and I know there could be an issue at this site. There are 6 separate dashboards pre-populated in our service. These are built to cleverly visualise different levels of detail. They will show network level, site level, session level, site flow level, real-time flow level, and IP address level. And this is my site level dashboard, where I can see all of my applications across all my sites in an easy-to-read grid. The horizontal axis lists my sites and the vertical axis lists my applications. Green shows healthy and intolerance, and red shows failing. In this visual, I can see that I probably have a problem with the back office site, as I have a vertical line of many red alerts. It's this quick and easy interpretation of data that these dashboards enable. They make sense of all that network IP flow information and present me with a clear vision of what's going on. This is a taster of BT's Connect Intelligence Infovista service, and I hope you've seen some insight here. We're currently offering free visibility assessments to selected customers. So if you'd like more detail and want to enable your digital future, call your BT account team or contact us through bt.com to watch a full demo in one of BT's global customer experience centres.